Roots Adventures. We are here again. Back today here in Stellenbosch at Jonkers Hoek. We're gonna do eerste en tweede waterfall, first and second waterfall here in Jonkershoek. And it's a nice crispy morning, nice and fresh. We're gonna see if we can take maybe a cold plunge in the icy river water. See you soon. So this is the first waterfall. It's a bit dark here. I would say it's definitely deep enough to take a swim here, but the water is so cold. Oh. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, it's super hot. So one thing about Cape Town, in the summer it gets hot. And today there's no wind. But this makes it the perfect weather for that icy river. We're gonna do a cold plunge down there, well, in there. So yeah, let me just get back on the road. We are making our way to the last section of the second waterfall. Doesn't it feel like Jurassic Park? Huh? Just look at this. Wow. Jurassic Park all the way. We found the pool that we're gonna take a cold plunge in. This is deep enough to submerge. That's not that golf. Go flip.